Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, power off your Synco controller completely. This is crucial to prevent any accidental inputs during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to separate the back cover from the front. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the 2 halves together. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of the controller. Locate the joystick module, which is typically situated in the center. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean environment is essential for optimal performance. If you notice any buildup, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. Now, to remove the joystick, you will need to disconnect it from the mainboard. Carefully lift the connector using your tweezers. Make sure to handle it gently to avoid damaging the pins. Once disconnected, you can remove the joystick module from its housing. At this point, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our team can handle the replacement for you, ensuring a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, take your new joystick module and align it with the housing. Press it firmly into place, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reconnect the joystick to the mainboard by carefully pushing the connector back into its slot. Make sure it's secure to avoid any future issues. After the joystick is connected, it's time to reassemble the controller. Align the back cover with the front and gently press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. This step is crucial, as a secure fit will prevent any rattling or movement during gameplay. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them carefully, ensuring not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the plastic. Finally, power on your Synco controller and test the new joystick. Make sure it responds correctly in the menu and during gameplay. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. With your joystick replaced, you can now enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.